Euston, we have a problem. Two.
1, 2.
I'm a loser of all the love I have won or have lost. There is one love I should never have crossed.
Find the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Whitechapel.
I should have known she
This
would
is a
win.
District Line train to Ealing Broadway. The next station is Aldgate East.
Near to me, I'm a loser, and I'm not what I appear to be.
It's his project. I'm not going to stop it. 20 days. I said I was going to do it for 20 days. I'm going to do it for 20 days. But here's the considerations I'm having. YouTube videos are all about thumbnails and titles. In the actual fact, they're the most important thing. The content kind of has to deliver, hopefully, otherwise people are not going to come back. But you know how it is when you're on YouTube, you're having a little bit of a surf around. What is it that catches your eyes? It's the thumbnail, right? And the title. Well, what I've been doing with this project is kind of using the same thumbnail and the same title, right? I've got myself all a little bit muddled up with it. My reach is down, my views are down. I'm going to carry on because I said I'd carry on. A friend of mine, a great friend, right, full of wisdom, he once said to me, the degree to which you keep your agreements to yourself, Gary, are the degree to which your life's going to work. Well, I'm kind of, I want to honour that by getting to the 20 days, and then we'll see what happens. I had a message yesterday, someone said to me, well, what about, I want to see more street photography. Well, I don't shoot street photography every day, and this project is a kind of an advent thing. I'm doing it leading into Christmas. I just don't shoot street photography every day. I'm not, I've got work, I've got responsibilities. I can't be out with my camera shooting street all the time. Well, I can, but I'm not. But I'm hopefully gonna get out a few times this week and get some street photography stuff. And then we'll be back to normal in a week or so. Is this focus, what's happening with focus? Anyway, we need a picture today, don't we? Save the day.
Although I laugh and I act like a clown, behind this mask I am wearing a frown. My tears are falling like rain from the sky. Is it for her or myself?
I love swans, but I don't necessarily want to be taking pictures of them. But they are beautiful, aren't they? I don't know how Casey Neistat ever did this for like 3 years on the trot. Bonkers. That's it for today. I'm going to up my game tomorrow, guys, I promise. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you tomorrow.
Although I laugh and I act like a clown, behind this mask